Hi and welcome to day 19 of Sea and Summer Tangles. Today's tangle is Zentangle's Tangle Sedgling. And I'm laughing because I already made a video today and published it. And I realized that I got the name wrong, and I only realized it after somebody told me, because what's funny is I'm very bad with the names of the tangles. But it was interesting that I didn't even try to check this. I was like 100% certain that the name of the tangle was actually says. And what's even funnier is that I already used says in this challenge, and it didn't even cross my mind to check it or remember that I did a tangle called says. Anyway, I think that I stretched myself a little bit too thin, and I was just not concentrated enough. So forgive me if you saw my video that says. This is Sedgling by Zentangle. And it's so easy that you didn't, I think, even need the guidance, audio guidance. It's just basically like a says, but on a stick. So you start with this little stem, and then from that stem you just make those concentric circles. Once you are done with this, you can start shading as always. And for shading, I will apply the shades below the tangles and also below the stems. Sometimes it's not so easy to determine what's up and what's down, and Zentangle actually shouldn't even have like the upper and lower side. But you know, Zentangle inspired art with some tangles that remind us of things from nature or whatever. Sometimes it's just natural to know what's up and what's down. So now I'm applying the shades and blending them below these little sedgling flowers. And you would usually shade this, or maybe not even shade it, but fill each second of these auras or each other aura, ink it in with black ink. And now I will do something different. I'm actually shading it like I would shade an orb. So I'm applying like smiley shaped shades on the bottom part. And then on the top part, I will add a little bit of highlights. And of course, I will blend those highlights too. And finally, in the stem, I will use the white jelly roll. I'm using the white jelly roll because the stem is too narrow, and I'm not sure if I would be able to be precise with my pencil. Maybe if it was really, really sharp, which I'm currently not sure. So it's easier and it makes more sense to try this or add some of these highlights with my gel pen. And finally, I will add some dots, or, you know, just spots of those for those shiniest highlights with the jelly roll pen. And now I will write the correct name of the tangle. So here's my finalized little bijou tile, and this is actually says that we did for day 7, or I showed for day 7, and this is the one from the video that I posted today before. I'm sorry, you know, it was an oopsie. I hope that you will forgive me, and remember together with me that the name of this one is Sedgling. Thank you so much for joining with me, and I will see you in 2 days with the final tangle in this series. Bye.